to today's episode on how to cut and sew. Today we'll be talking about how to cut this particular dress you're seeing. This is an off-shoulder ruffled dress. You can see it. And the one I'm wearing too is of the same style with different fabric. As you can see. So it's the combination of a lace fabric here. This is a v-neck, you can see it. So and here so is a fabric, because it's not a lace fabric, it's an ordinary fabric with a v-neck. So let's go to the cutting section. Back to the cutting section. I'm using these two fabrics to cut out the dress. I'm using this net fabric, a v-neck fabric, and this particular fabric to cut out the dress. So I'm using this v-neck, it will be around the shoulder to make a ruffle around the shoulder. And this is going to be for the main dress. So now, I'm using 3 yards of this fabric and 2 yards of this v-neck fabric. The measurement I'm using here are, the full length is 59 with the same allowance of 1 inch. I'm making it 16 inches. It's an off-shoulder dress. We only have the rounded of shoulder here, I have 40 inches. And the bust is 34 inches, the waist is 28 inches. But for this particular dress, it's not going to be fitted. So you're going to see the way I'm going to fold it and cut it out for you. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to fold this into 4, keeping this aside. So now from these 3 yards of this fabric, I will deduct 2.5 yards out of it, and the remaining half will go for the sleeve. 2.5 yards, and this remaining half yard is going for the sleeve. So I'm going to cut this out now. After this has been folded into 4 places, so the next thing to do is to take the measurement. This particular dress, like I said earlier, I said is an off shoulder, so I'm taking 6 inches up. These 6 inches I'm taking up so far, I'm going to add another 2 inches back for the taping, which is going to be the band. I'm adding 2 inches, so that will give us 4 inches up after adding 2 inches band. So now I'm starting the measurement from there to the length. The full length here is 59 inches. So with the same allowance of 1 inch, which is going to give us 60 inches. The next thing is to come here to take the shoulder measurement. So the actual measurement for the shoulder is 7 inches, but since it's an off shoulder, I'm deducting ½ inch from it. So I'm using 6.5 inches. For the armhole, so after taking 6 up, I'm using 7 inches for the armhole. 7 inches for the armhole. So from this particular armhole, this is going to be the shape of the armhole to the shoulder, like this. So after then, I'm going to take the bust measurement. I'm using 36 inches for the bust measurement. So this is 9 inches. 9 into 4 places give us 36 inches. So this is 36 inches. So with the same allowance of 2 inches. It depends on you. You can decide to reduce the sewing allowance, which is the same allowance here. So but here I'm using 2 inches for my same allowance. So the line is going to be like this. So after that, I'm going to make an A shape to the full length. This particular dress doesn't have an half cut, which I'm going to determine the waist. No, it does not have an half cut. So from this particular place, I'm making A to the full length. So I'm introducing this to make it straight, like this. So like this. Don't forget, before cutting this out, you have to determine the hip. It's not fitted dress, but you have to determine this hip measurement before cutting it out. So to determine the hip measurement, I'm taking this up. The hip point here is 25 inches. So, and the hip measurement is 40. So this is 40. Since I can get the 40 inches for the hip and a seam allowance of 2.5 inches is okay. So now I'm going to cut it out, starting from here. So now this is the shape. So the next thing to do now is to cut out the sleeve. I'm using this half yard to cut out the sleeve. So I'm going to fold this into 4. So this is into 2 already. Then I'm going to fold it into 4 like this. So the first thing to do here is to determine the sleeve length. The sleeve length here is 14 inches, but I'm going to make it of 12 inches though. Then I will now tape it with 2 inches, making 14 inches. So this is 12 inches. Then I will tape it with 2 inches, which is going to give me 14 inches. So I'm left with this. From here, I'm going to measure 3.5 inches. So from this 3.5 inches, I'm going to measure 3.5 inches here also. Then it's going to be like this, the armhole. Then I'll cut it. Then the round sleeve here, it's 7 inches, which is 14 inches with a seam allowance of 1 inch. The round sleeve here is 9 inches, which is 4.5 inches with a seam allowance of 1.5 inches here. Then I'm going to make a slant from ear to ear, a slant line. Then I'm cutting it out. This is the sleeve. The next thing to do now is to cut out the V net. I'm going to fold this into 4 first. This is into 2, then into 4. This is into 4. So with this now, I'm making use of 5 inches of this. The wideness will be 5 inches. the wideness is going to be 5 inches. So I'm making use of this to make it straight. Then I will now cut it. So I'm going to cut this as many as I can because I'm making use of this for the ruffle around the shoulder and at the sleeve area. So this is all I can get from 2 yards of very net fabric. You can see this is the wideness. So I'm going to make a gathers with it. You can see, and this is going to stay around the shoulder. It's going to stay around the shoulder here. So after fixing the sleeve, so it's going to stay around the shoulder here, like this. Then I'm putting that as well at the sleeve side here. So after taping this 2 inches with it, then I'm putting this on it. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Dizha House of Fashion. Thank you for watching. Bye.